Hello everyone, welcome to this video on an overview of Notes module in IFW Campus ERP 2.0. During this video, you will have a look and feel about the product. In the module list at the left, there is a module Notes which is divided into two parts, Masters and Forms. Let's have a look at the dashboard of this module. On the dashboard, the direct links of the forms are given using which you can jump to any form from here. The first form in the Notes module is Categories. This form is used to create the categories under which the notes will be uploaded. The category named Short Essays is created under the group English. You can upload your short essays here. You can create multiple categories, for example, as in the subject-based. Category named BARC is created and under which we have created three subcategories, first year, second year and third year. You can upload the notes by right-click on any name. You can create any new subcategory under it. You can rename the category or you can remove the category. If you want to upload your notes, you have to use this form, Document Upload segment. In this segment, you can upload your notes under the created categories. Give the name for the note. Let's say field work. Select the group name under which you want to upload it. Let's say general. Select the session for which you want to upload it. You can upload it for the multiple sessions also. For example, we are uploading it for session 2018-19, 19-20 and 2021. We have multiple categories into it like mathematics, architecture, computer and others. Suppose you want to upload your notes document under the category architecture. So right-click on the category name. You can upload the document and you can remove the document also. Click on Upload Document. Click on Add File. Select your document from the system or the computer on which you are working from. Start Upload and OK. So this is how you can upload your document and click on Save. The document has been uploaded on the Upload segment. On each form, you will have two buttons, Export and Export Plus, using which you can generate the reports. Export gives you the direct print of all the records listed under the listing section. Export Plus is the advanced version of Export. You have the various field names here. You can choose them according to your requirement and in the order you like. For example, we are taking the group name first, the name of the document, document uploaded by and session. You can use various options given here. You can use the serial numbers in your reports. You can align your reports in ascending or descending order. You can sort your reports by these given field names. You can also save this report for your future use by giving a template name. For example, we are giving here a name, Document Upload Report, and click on Save. This report template has been saved for the future use. Next time, whenever you go to this report, you will get your report names here under this report template. So you don't have to select and unselect your fields every time you require any report. Click on Print, and this is how you'll get your reports. These reports are available in various formats like in HTML, PDF, Excel and CSV. You can generate the format you like. Once the document has been uploaded under the Upload segment, then you have to give its accessibility to the students using the Student Accessibility document and to the employees by using the form Employee Accessibility Documents. Let's see how you can give the accessibility to the students. For example, click on Add New. Select the employee name who has uploaded the document. Select the section under which the document has been uploaded For example, surveying strategy. Select the class for which you want to give the access. There is an option of limited access. If you have uploaded multiple documents under the selected section, you can just select the particular document and then give the access. So this particular document will be accessible to the selected classes, not all the documents uploaded under the section. So this is the use of limited access. This is how you can give the access to the students. You can save the records by clicking on Save. Similar to the other forms, Export and Export Plus will give you the reports generated here. Similarly, you can give the accessibility of the documents to the employees also. Click on Add New. Select the employee name who has uploaded the document. Select the section under which the document has been uploaded. And select the designations of the employees with whom you want to share this document. So this is how we have selected the designations of the employees to which we want to share the document, and click on Save. While sharing the documents with the employees, you also get the option of limited access here. Limited access, similar as it was on the students, allows you to share a specific document only to the employees. You don't have to share all the documents uploaded under this section. You can give the limited access to the employees, just like this. Similar to the other forms, Export and Export Plus gives you the required reports. Click on Export Plus. Select the field names in particular order in which you want. For example, let's take section name first, then department, designation, session, and then the institute name. We can use the serial number in the reports. You can also save this template for the future use as it was shown in previous forms. Click on Export here. You will get the various formats for the reports like HTML, PDF, Excel, CSV, etc. You can simply print your reports also. This is the required report in the format which we selected, and all the fields are in the order in which we selected. You can also save this template for the future use by giving a template name. Once the documents are uploaded and accessibility is given to the students and employees, they are ready to download. Using the form Download by Employees, employees can download the respective documents which are accessible to them. Click on Download Document. Select the employee by whom the documents have been uploaded. Select the section under which the document has been uploaded. You will get all the uploaded documents and the documents which are accessible to you. Select the document you want to download and click on Download. This is how you can download your document. On the student login, in the Notes module, you will get a form Download by Students. Using this form, students can download their respective documents which are shared with the students. Select the class for which the documents have been shared. Select the employee who has uploaded the document, and the next field is Document section. Here you have to select the section under which the document has been uploaded. You will get all the categories here. Select the document you want to download and click on Download. This is how students can download their documents. On the form Document Upload section, there is an option Report Plus. Here you can get various reports. For example, Notes Upload Detailed Reports. Just click on the report. You will get various fields here. Double click on the report format. All the available fields will be visible to you. You can select the fields and click on Print. So this is the report that has been generated. Similarly, you can have two more reports: Notes Employee Downloaded Report and Student Downloaded Report. The employees who have downloaded the documents will be listed under this report and the students will be listed under this report. Let's check one of the reports. You can select the required fields, or else you can select all the fields. You can use the options given here like serial numbers, sort by or group by options. You can use these options. As it was shown earlier, you can also save your reports by giving a template name like notes download report, and these saved template names will be listed here for the next time when you go to this form. So this avoids the rework of selecting all the fields and arranging them in the required format. You will get these report formats here like HTML, Excel. We can also generate a print. So this is the list of the students who have downloaded the various documents along with the document name, the category and the download date. Similarly, you can also get these records for employees also by using this report, Notes Employee Download Report. So this was all about the Notes module. Thank you.